How to recover deleted photos from an iPhone after 30 days without iCloud. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted photos from an iPhone after 30 days without iCloud. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now reach your Apple account and scroll down to find iCloud. Here, tap on it and select the Photos option. Then, enable the Sync This iPhone option. You can also mark a tick on Download and keep the original. After that, disable the Shared Album option by scrolling down. Lastly, go to the iCloud Drive and enable the Sync This iPhone option here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.